I'm gonna try to turn on this chainsaw, one of them. It's probably gonna suck, but first day. I'm gonna put on this chainsaw pants, to be honest, just because I'm turning on the chainsaw. I would not normally wear them. They're huge, but they don't make my size. So I'm 4'9", so they don't really have chainsaw pants for me. If you guys don't know, this is like really heavy material. I'm not gonna wear gloves or glasses, I mean goggles or whatever, just because, to be honest, gloves make it really hard for me to get a grip on the chainsaw, and I don't want it to slip. Another thing was about using glasses, but I'm not going to use them right now because I'm not going to be cutting any wood. I'm just going to try to start the chainsaw off from a cold start. All right, here we go. So I got this big chainsaw pants, and instead of using this one, because this one's for climbing, I'm gonna try to turn this one on. All right, this is gonna suck. All right, clear ground. I'm gonna put my foot on it right here. I'm gonna grab it with my left hand, and I'm gonna pull it. Supposedly that's what you're supposed to do. Brakes on. Estoy haciendo mal.